everyone, happy Mardi Gras. It is officially my first Mardi Gras vlog of the season. We are getting ready to head out to the park to catch all the beads. I don't think we're gonna try much food today because I'm waiting for Mike to be with me for that. But we're gonna go meet some performers, catch some beads, have a good time. I've got my partner in crime right here. We're ready to go.
So ready.
Well, if you want to know what it's like in Florida today, the real version, this is what we're looking at.
Not the Instagram version.
It's very, very windy. Yes, this is us, the real version. Oh, we got a breather there. A brief break from the wind.
You're looking very windswept there.
A little bit. This is the look, you know?
Yeah.
It's permanent Beyonce wind, as long as you're facing the right direction. So anyway, we are heading into Mardi Gras, battling the wind, and in we go. Hopefully we can see the performers through our hair. Okay, we're having a much needed wind break.
And feet break for me.
And foot break for Sammy at the horror makeup show. And we've added another. Michael's with us. Let's see who's here today. All right, it's time to go. See some Mardi Gras people, let's go. Look, it's the new bead tree. New bead tree right there. Starting it, it's a thing. Thank you, happy Mardi Gras, woo!
Happy Mardi Gras.
My favorite.
I love you, Liz. I love you so much.
Oh, both of my favorites. Oh my gosh. Everyone, give me the love.
How are you doing? Mardi Gras.
Yes.
Yes. Friend. Oh,
Yes.
that's my favorite color.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
How you doing?
I'm good. There's the king and queen right there. Look at that. The royalty. Hello. We're here. We're ready to celebrate.
Have your little touch of royalty.
Yes.
We have some, yours are much.
Yeah.
More
We can't compete.
Say that. Yeah.
We just want to, you know, celebrate, honor it. Thank you. Thank
Those are
you.
very playful.
Yes.
Looking forward to seeing you in the
Yep, the parade.
Where are you guys gonna be?
Esoteric.
Okay.
Yeah.
Entrance.
We're pros.
You know.
Yes.
Excellent.
Absolutely. My first Mardi Gras food item is the onion bhaji from India with a curry dip. Smells delicious. I'm excited for it. And Sammy just, oh no, my napkin's blowing away. Sammy just went to go across the water to find Belgium because they have some fries over there I think that she wants. Also, if it wasn't apparent in that video, I got to see two of my favorite spooky friends. Got to see my pinky alien and got to see my other lovely musician friend that's out there, and got to see them. We're gonna go back and visit them again later. Not as many performers out today as last year. Sammy and I had so many friends that we made pre-parade. So we're gonna try again at 5 p.m. and hope we see some more people out there because it seemed a little sparse. But for now we're gonna have some snacks and then try again a little later. Sammy successfully found her fries in Belgium. Sniff test. Not sure. Unsure. Okay. Okay. That was sauce number one. We don't know what they're called because they were like weird words.
This one is, like, looks terrifying.
Very
this is
yellow.
like a yellowy greeny. Oh, it's like a curry. It smells like curry.
Oh, I like curry.
I don't like curry. I mean, it's fine.
Okay. Okay. I wasn't expecting that based on your reaction. That said, the onion bhaji were delicious. Excuse me, helicopter.
Right.
Trying to vlog here. The onion bhaji, super good, but the dipping sauce made it so good. Would definitely get those again. We've got beignets. First beignets. Yeah, go against the wind. First beignet experience.
Breathe.
Breathe and then bite.
I mean, it's dough and
It's
sugar.
dough and sugar. You can't go wrong, honestly. Yeah, thumbs up. Perfect. And it came from an actor, so even better.
I know it came from the mayor.
It came from the mayor of Mardi Gras. Look at these gorgeous ladies. Happy Mardi Gras.
Wait, let me see. Oh, that's so cute.
Yeah, we had to come themed, you know.
You looking forward to the parade?
Sammie, I'm so sad. I'm so sad. Rip Ride Rocket's closed
Or
because
you
of
would've
weather.
been on it, right?
I would have been on it. It's like we would have been right on it. I'm so sorry. Yep, right there. I'm so sorry. I'm
September?
I'm gutted. No,
September?
no.
No, yeah.
I think there's gonna be some bad weather in September too. I'm just predicting it.
I'm going to the locker room.
Oh no.
I'm bringing the good weather.
Nah, it's gonna be bad weather. No, not gonna happen.
Hi.
Hello.
Take a picture of these
Happy
pieces of this
Mardi
sweater.
Gras.
It's a video.
It's a video.
I am ridiculous. I don't know what I'm talking about. Oh
Yes.
yeah.
We're
Very
I'm
nice.
ready
for lips and beads with that thing.
Oh yeah, we
Yes,
just
you will.
We've already
lean
started.
over.
I know you guys are
Oh yeah,
Of course.
that's what the parade's for.
very nice.
Yes.
It looks like incredible.
Thank
And
you.
it's off. And it's tight. Is that unicorn? Is there a unicorn going on there?
Oh, if only.
Same thing.
There might be a seahorse. It's kind of similar.
Hello. It's the same thing.
Yes.
I ran through a rainbow. It was really fun.
I know. Look, same.
Together. Yeah, 6:15. Okay.
Oh yeah, we'll be there. We'll be there.
Dance really makes me keep an eye on.
Oh, we will. Twins. On theme.
I am speechless. Oh my gosh. I love that. Oh my god.
I love her. I can't wait to see you at the parade.
Parade.
Remember 6:15.
We'll be there.
Happy Mardi Gras.
It just keeps getting crazier. I don't know. I think there's. Oh yeah, it's like all intertwined in there. But that was a nice little redemption loop. We saw quite a few more actors out. So hopefully this next set we're gonna get even more. Start off a little sad, but we're getting there. We're gonna have, parade's gonna be awesome. They won't be on stilts tonight because it's too windy, but we'll still have a good time. Oh! I'm like, oh God! Where am I? I know, I'm confused. Where did I end up?
Oh, I love it.
I thought it was a Mardi Gras. He's still having his own party over here. Getting parade ready. I love it. We've got one cop. One cop tonight. Woo, all by himself. For the first beats. You guys know know the drill if you watch my vlog. We film the performers, we turn it off in order to catch beads. That's how it is. It's the last slope for this pass, but as you guys know, this is just halfway. Just halfway. So this is where we're at, first pass through. Not as much as last year. First pass through. Not bad, not bad. I've had better years, but not bad. I see the floats coming. Round 2 on the way. Also, it's so windy that the confetti is blowing towards us. But there's the floats over there. On their way back. Feet don't fail me now. 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 the end results. I think I beat you this year.
I think so, but again, you got like 5.
Even if
before you even started.
even if I subtracted the 4 that I got from Elise and Avion, I'm pretty sure
we need to do a count back.
we're gonna have to do a count. We'll have an official count for you back in the room. Yep. But it was fun. I think last year, I mean, I love this parade. I'm gonna have fun every single time at it. But I think last year it's gonna be hard to top that one for us. We just had
the vibe was much bigger.
Yeah.
The vibe was bigger.
Yes.
There was a lot more like dancers, actors, like all that good stuff. But I really love the theme this year.
Could have just been a Sunday night. Could be like more vibes on Saturdays. I don't know, but
it was still good. Yeah, we saw
always a blast. We have a great time.
Yeah,
we bring the party. Okay.
We do.
Oh, the park was so pretty at night leaving though. Love it. Well, as you can tell from the people pouring out, it is time to get out of here. We'll go do our bead count at the room and I will give you an update. Well, we're back in the room. The official bead count is going to be a little skewed for Liz because I have 29 and Sammie has 0.
I think I had more than Liz, but this cute little kid came up and was like, can I swap you that bead for this bead? That cause she only had like 3 beads.
She had 3 beads and they were all the same color.
And I was like, and then she got into trouble. There's a whole story here.
Yes.
By the way, you're welcome. So her dad gave her into trouble, called her over. So I was like, oh, I'll go over. So I was like, which one do you want? And there was like a bunch of kids, and I assumed it was her sibling, like that ranged in age, and they were all like looking at my beads. And I was like, here, just have them. So I just gave them all my beads. They were so lovely.
Really, she won because she got all the brownie points and the karma points.
I won the hearts of children.
But I won the bead game. But yeah, it was pretty close. I think without the beads that were given to me ahead of time, it was pretty close. But yeah, we felt so bad. We were definitely gonna trade her, and then her dad was like, "Get back over here! Stop talking to strangers! Why are you talking to strangers?"
I know. She was so sweet.
Even though look how sweet we looked. Like how but you never know.
Like we're kidnappers.
I'm throwing beads at us.
She's a kidnapper.
With that, my battery's dying. And we're gonna say goodbye in real life.
I know.
But for the purpose of this is gonna be the end of the Mardi Gras vlog for 2023. Sammie still has a few more days here, but I have to leave. So we're gonna do a sad vlog.
Perfectly synced. Beautiful.
And now we're gonna say goodbye in real life. But with that, I am signing off. But I'll see you guys again very soon. Bye.